At the time, I didn't really know what I was doing, honestly. I had decided to go to school after leaving the Marine Corps. Thought I was going to go into law enforcement or something like along those lines, and I had decided to go into emergency management in order to kind of broaden my horizon. And so I guess I was looking for direction. And then when I had read about DEMA being the state agency for emergency management, I figured that was probably the best place to start, figure out exactly what that was. Once I started the internship, I really realized how multifaceted emergency management is, particularly at DEMA, and how many different wheelhouses are contained within one organization. Coming out of the internship, I really realized there's a big difference between book learning and actual practice. And I realized that the actual practice of emergency management was much more interesting to me than the mere book learning. While the book learning was a good foundation, seeing where the rubber met the road really helped me understand emergency management. My position with DEMA is the North Region Field Coordinator. During Blue Skies, I'm basically customer service for the 6 northern counties of Arizona. During Gray Skies, I serve as the State Liaison Officer, where I coordinate between the County EOC and the State EOC. If you're considering an internship in emergency management, I would certainly say to go for it, especially if you want a job in emergency management. Having a one-on-one relationship with people in the field and really understanding what goes on both will help you be a better future employee and also help you make those relationships to find a job later on down the road.